switchable film, about 90 feet of glass. This was really challenging, about 30, 40 feet above the ground. We want to talk to you about what that process was today.
All right, here we go. We're taking our own plane because we're badass. And we're headed to Richmond from Carroll Airport. Going to be in and out the same day. Who's that handsome face? And here we are in the beautiful clouds, 6,000 feet in the air, and we are in Richmond. We are ready to go. Pulling into the airport, getting that film out.
Up on the left, Richmond Convention Center.
This particular film you have to do with a dry application, as you can see, taking little bites at a time. As if you take too much, it leaves air bubbles. It also comes with a scratch-resistant coating already on it. So right now, this panel here is charged up so you can see through it. Once we wire everything in, this one will do the same thing. I'm gonna pull that off. Now that we've got it on the glass, you have to do a couple other steps. One, we have to cover up this copper bus bar. Will be electrified. So we want to make sure we treat this properly. We're going to cover it with some tape and seal the edges. Once we do that, we're going to put a cover over top of it. See here, this is actually already got the black cover on it. Hides all the wires really nice and cleanly. We got to get that all set up. I'm roughing it, kind of scarring the edges, the plastic, bending it and cutting it. Now we need to drill our holes for the wires to come through. Nice and smooth.
Meanwhile, I'm trying not to be terrified 30 feet up on a lift.
And there we go. Smooth across there. Fun part, pull our wires down, and then we're gonna connect these two guys, and then we're gonna connect our ground wires back in. Be solid and good to go.
This is sick.
So these heat crimps, there's a little piece of solder so that you heat this stuff up, and not only does it pinch the edges of the wires, but it also brings everything, the connection together really nicely. Test it out. Good. So now we're just tucking all the wires away, cleaning her up, and voila. Putting up one of the bigger panels now. We're just pulling some wire loom off of the wires here, send the cables to the smart film here, put some more on. It's been a really great project from the beginning. We're super grateful to have had the opportunity to do such a cool project with Richmond, solve a problem that they were not sure how to fix. As a company, I'm doing custom projects that are more challenging. I particularly enjoy doing them because of the thrill of figuring it out, coming up with a solution that the customer's looking for.
So cool.